Imagine a place where it has never rained, and a city where it rains every single day. Or what if I told you the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, and that could change time as we know it? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, you're about to discover 10 Earth facts that will completely change the way you see our planet. Get ready to be amazed by the hidden secrets of Earth. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So sit back, hit that like button, and subscribe because this video is going to blow your mind. Let's get started. Ever wondered if Earth is perfectly round? It's true. The Earth has an unusual shape called a geoid. While we often think of the Earth as a perfect sphere, it's actually slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator because of its rotation. That means the Earth is kind of like a squished ball. Have you ever heard that Earth's crust is always moving? The Earth's surface is not as solid as it seems. In fact, tectonic plates are constantly shifting, moving about 2 to 5 centimeters a year. This movement causes earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even shifts the positions of continents over millions of years. So, your home might not be in the same spot it was millions of anos ages. What if I told you the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Yes, the moon isn't staying in the same spot. Every year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters further away from Earth. This is due to the gravitational interaction between the two bodies. And here's the wild part. This can make Earth's days longer in the future. A day once lasted only 6 hours, and it could lengthen over time as the moon moves further away. Did you know Earth has had several supercontinents? Before the continents were where they are today, Earth was home to several supercontinents, the most famous of which is Pangaea. But before that, there was Rodinia and Gondwana. And guess what? In the distant future, another supercontinent might form with all the continents merging once again. Are you aware that less than 5% of Earth's oceans have been explored? Earth is covered by oceans, yet we've only explored less than 5% of them. The deep ocean is still a huge mystery to scientists. Despite covering 71% of Earth's surface, there's still so much we don't know about what lies beneath the waves. The vast, unexplored ocean could hold secrets we can only imagine. Would you believe Earth's atmosphere could fit inside the sun millions of times? You probably think the Earth's atmosphere is massive, but compared to the size of the sun, it's tiny. Earth's atmosphere could fit inside the sun millions of times. The sun is 109 times wider than Earth and contains 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. Ever thought about places on Earth where it has never rained? Imagine living in a place where it's never rained. Well, that place exists in the Atacama Desert in Chile. Some regions haven't seen a single drop of rain in over 500 years. It's one of the driest places on Earth, and scientists often use it to study life in extreme conditions, much like those on other planets. But what about the place that sees the most rain in the world? On the opposite end of the spectrum, there's a city that holds the title for the rainiest place on Earth, Buenaventura, Colombia. This city receives a staggering 13,300 millimeters over 13 meters of rain annually. And here's the crazy part. It rains there on over 200 days per year. The heavy rainfall is due to its location near the Pacific Ocean, where warm, moist air constantly collides with the mountains, creating torrential downpours. Would you be surprised to learn that Earth has a giant hidden ocean? Here's something mind-blowing. Earth actually has a hidden ocean inside it. Scientists discovered that about 600 kilometers below the surface, there's a massive store of water trapped inside rocks. This underground water could be 3 times greater than all the oceans on the surface combined. How about the fact that Earth's day used to be shorter? Imagine a world where a day was only 6 hours long. That's how it was billions of years ago when Earth spun much faster than it does today. Over time, the Earth has slowed down because of the Moon's gravitational pull. Today, a day lasts 24 hours, but that wasn't always the case. Did you know gravity isn't the same everywhere on Earth? You might think gravity is the same everywhere on Earth, but it's not. There are places where gravity is slightly stronger or weaker. For example, in the Hudson Bay region in Canada, gravity is weaker due to a difference in the Earth's crust and the melting glaciers from the Ice Age. These small variations can affect your weight without you even noticing. The Earth's magnetic field protects us from the sun. Earth's magnetic field does more than just make compasses point north. It shields us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, we'd be exposed to deadly radiation from the sun, which could strip away our atmosphere, just like what happened to Mars. The Earth's center is as hot as the sun at the Earth's core. Temperatures soar to over 500 degrees Celsius 930 to degrees Fahrenheit. That's as hot as the surface of the sun. But don't worry, it's not something we need to fear because the heat is trapped inside. Antarctica has lakes beneath the ice. Antarctica may be covered in thick ice, but beneath that ice, there are lakes, over 400 of them. Some of these lakes have been isolated for millions of years, and scientists are studying them to learn about life in extreme environments. There's a ring of fire around the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire is a region around the Pacific Ocean that has more than 75% of the world's volcanoes and over 90% of the world's earthquakes. This deadly ring is constantly shifting and reshaping the Earth's surface. Earth's tallest waterfall is hidden. Earth's tallest waterfall, Angel Falls in Venezuela, is an incredible 3,212 feet 979 meters high. It's so remote that you can't even get to it easily, making it one of the world's most hidden natural wonders. You can fit 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. If the sun were hollow, you could fit 1.3 million Earths inside. The sun is absolutely massive, accounting for 86% of the mass of our entire solar system. It's so big, it's hard to comprehend. The deepest part of the ocean is over 36,000 feet deep. The Mariana Trench, located in the Pacific Ocean, reaches depths of more than 36,000 feet, 10,994 meters, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. And yet, we've only explored a tiny fraction of it. There's so much more hidden beneath the ocean. The Earth's atmosphere weighs about 5 quadrillion tons. Did you know the Earth's atmosphere actually has weight? The total weight of the air around us is about 5.5 quadrillion tons. It's something we can't see, but it's definitely having an impact on everything. Some areas on Earth have more than 24 hours of sunlight. Ever heard of the midnight sun? In places near the poles, such as Norway and Alaska, the sun doesn't set for months at a time during summer. That means these regions can have more than 24 hours of sunlight every day. Earth's rotation is slowing down. The Earth is actually slowing down ever so slightly each day. This is due to the moon's gravitational pull. In fact, the Earth's day has increased by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. In the distant future, a day could be longer than 24 hours.